Welcome to FinanceDeft. Today we will see what is Algo Trading and how to do Algo Trading. So we will publish this as a series. In the first episode, we will see what is Algo Trading. So Algo Trading is nothing but it's a way of automating your trades. What we will do is we will automatically place buy or sell orders to your broker. In traditional trading, what you will do is you will go to broker's terminal and you will place the order. Instead of that, there will be code running in the machine, and that code or program will place the orders for you. So to place the orders, we need a way of communicating from your algo system. This system can be anything, your code or any third-party software. And as I said, we need a bridge between the broker as well as your algo system. So that bridge is nothing but the APIs. So to run the algo trading, first we need to get these APIs from the broker, and then we need to execute from the system. So before seeing how to execute an algo trade, or how to configure, or how to set up a algo trading system, we will see what is a strategy. So it is not just just buy and sell, right? You will have different strategies where you will make profits. So in this algo trading series, what we will consider is we will be considering option selling. Since I'm an option seller, I'll be mostly focusing on option selling, and will teach how to automate option selling strategies. So what is a strategy? Strategy is set of instructions or trades with all the criteria like entry. When should we enter a trade? When should we exit from this trade? What is the stop loss criteria, and what time? I mean, by what number of points we should take as profits, and all those criteria we can totally call it as a strategy. So here are the two examples of strategy. The first one is selling a nifty ATM straddle with a 25% SL, and we will please start this trade at 9:20 a.m. and exit at 3 p.m. This is the typical 9:20 straddle. And the next one is a strangle, which where we will sell 100 rupees put and 100 rupees premium call, and with the same SL 25% SL, the entry and the exit time is the same. And the one more thing is we trail the SL to cost. Trailing SL to cost means if one side SL is hit, then what we'll do is the other side SL, right? If call side SL is hit, then we will move the put side SL to the price where we have sold the put strike. So let us go to Nifty option chain and see an example of a strangle and straddle. So here, right, the current spot is at 1850. So the ATM strike is 1850. So if you have to build a straddle, what you will do is you will sell a 1850 call as well as the put, which is trading around the call is trading at 75 rupees, and put is trading at 67 rupees. So today is Tuesday, and Thursday is expiry, so 2 days to go to expiry. So this straddle premium will vary based on the day we are trading. Considering 75 rupees on each leg, the SL on each leg will be like 18 points. So a total of 36 points SL. So the SL will vary from day to day. So it can be called as a curve fitting, because the Friday your SL will be too huge, and Thursday it will be small, and there are high chances that your SL will be hit top mostly on Thursdays. So that is straddle. So coming to strangle. So strangle is nothing but you sell either equidistant from the spot or equal premium strikes. So here I have told 100 rupees premium Nifty strike. in this expiry, 100 rupee premium will be in the money. Basically, when we sell a strangle, we don't consider whether it is ATM, OTM, or ITM. We just we just identify which strike has the premium of 100 rupees and we sell it. So here the closest premium here is 18100 put, that is 18100 P. We'll sell 18100 P, and we will sell this one 18,000 call. So since we are near to expiry and VIX is around 14, the premiums are very low, so you'll end up selling in the money calls and puts. We can check the next time, next week expiry as well. So here the 100 rupee premium will be out of the money. Here it is 18,000 put and the 18,150 call. So coming back to this, so those are the two strategies. Again, um, here, right, trailing SL to cost. Whenever one strike goes to 125, that say call goes to, we sold call and put as 100, call goes to 125, then we move the SL of the put to 100. So overall loss in this strategy will be only 25 points. So if we don't trail to cost, then say the market reverses and then both the side SL will be hit and it will be SL will be huge. It will be 50 months. So these are the two simple strategies examples. You can practically code any algo strategy you want in algo. So yeah. Next, why algo trading, right? So before dwelling how to do algo trading, let us first understand why do we need. So one thing is like you don't have any psychological issues like you don't have to look into the screen, your MTM going green, red, and whatnot. So you don't have to keep looking at the screen, and there is a temptation, right? Whenever you see small loss, you cut the law, you just exit, or you see some small profit, and you say, okay, maybe I should exit now so that I exit in profit. I don't go to loss. So no such psychological issues here. And you when you define a particular target or stop loss, right? It will your system will cut your the loss there and book your profits then and there. It won't. It doesn't have a brain, so there are no psychological issues for your algo. And then there are no manual risks. Sometimes if you're a beginner, you end up instead of selling a call, you end up selling put. Instead of selling, you end up buying. Everybody does these errors. Even experienced people end up doing this error there, and there can be fat finger errors as well, right? I mean, provided you have enough capital, instead of selling 10 lots, you end up punching 100 lots or something like that. So that also can be avoided in algo trading, and it's a very low maintenance once you code it or once you deploy a strategy, right? As long as you're not changing the strategy, or there are no bugs in your strategy, you don't have to maintain it really. You just have some alerts in place. So if something goes wrong, then you have to react. Otherwise, it's pretty much low maintenance. Then it reduces the screen time. Obviously, you don't have to keep looking into the screen all the time, like discretionary or manual trading, and that lets you to focus on your main profession or any other hustle or any other business you are running. And then it gives you freedom to travel. If you have a phone connected with the internet, with good internet connectivity, then you can literally travel anywhere during the market hours as well, as long as you are quick to react to the alerts. And when discussing anything, we have to see both the sides as well, right? So let us see what are the disadvantages. Same, the main disadvantages is the system is down. It could be your broker system, or it could be the machine where you're running your algo, or even exchange can be down. So if any of these is down, right, then there is a high chance that it could impact your trading. Say the exchange is down, then you will face issue with the manual trading as well. This is not very specific to algo trading. So very specific to algo trading is, say, your broker API is not responding, but your system is up and running. But till then also you will not know whether your SL is hit or your take profit is has come come or not, you'll not know. That is one thing. The second is you have error in your code. Say you have a scenario, something which is not handled in your code, and it's throwing error. Then again, say a trading day happens and you didn't exit your losing position on time, and you end up losing a lot. More than what is intended. One more is slippages. So it can, this is normal in both systematic trading or algo trading as well as manual trading. The slippages will be there. And then hard SL. So hard SLs means in algo trading usually we keep very hard. In discretionary trading we will wait for some confirmation like a candle close or anything like that, right? Whether it is the trend continues, then only we will exit. So such kind of things, it can be coded, but when we start out, right, we'll not be doing that kind of the SLs. We'll just say if say I sold at 100 rupees, if it has reached 125, I just exit. We don't check whether it stays there or there is a price action breakout in the chart or any kind of that sort. There is no discretion or anything like that in algo trading. So next is the cost to run an algo. I wouldn't say it costs very much a lot to run an algo, but it has a minimum cost, right? You have to have it. So either there are two options, right? We will see what are the two options in the next slide. So either the way we will have to pay a monthly certain amount as an expense to run your algo. Most of the algo APIs are free. The brokers provide the algo APIs free. So from the broker end, there is not much different in the charges. Either you do manual trading or algo trading, it is the same. In the use all these flat brokerage charges, 20 rupees per order plus all the other charges along with which comes along with trading. How to do algo trading, right? This is the most important question of the video. So how do I do algo trading? This a lot of people have been asking me how to do this, how to do algo trading. I get a lot of message in the Twitter, and this is the main reason I'm doing this series or this recording this video. So how do I do algo trading? So the first question you need to ask yourself is, do I know coding? So if you know coding, then it's straightforward. Just go ahead and code your algo. If you do not know coding, then you just ask yourself whether I want to do coding. If you're interested in learning coding and want to do coding, then you can learn and go code your algo. So if you do not want to learn coding or you do not want to know coding, there are a lot of plenty of platforms available. In going forward in this series, we'll be exploring them as well. So we will explain both, like how to custom code an algo as well as how to do execute algo strategies using algo platforms. So that was about this video. I hope that was a quick one. See you in the next video where we will discuss about backtesting. Thank you.